make ice cream.
We are gonna make ice cream. What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan, and what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? That's right, and you are watching Ryan and Ray make ice cream. As you can see, I got my backpack on. It's actually Reagan's backpack. And I'm about to drop her off at school, but tonight, what are we gonna do?
Make strawberry ice cream.
We are gonna make ice cream, but we're gonna make a different kind of ice cream. We are actually gonna make fireworks ice cream. You know why? Because it's 4th of July. Can you say happy 4th of July? Happy birthday, America. And you know what else it is? Tonight is the season premiere of season 3 of Stranger Things. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Well, you're probably not gonna watch it, but Daddy's definitely gonna watch it. Super pumped.
But I'm not gonna watch it.
Yeah, you're a little too young for it.
Oh, why I'm too young to watch it?
Well, because you're only 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should probably be a little older before you watch Stranger Things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, so fireworks ice cream is one of my favorite ice creams, and it's actually a specialty of Stewarts ice cream, Stewart shops in Upstate New York. Shout out to Stewarts.
Can I have some?
Yeah, we're gonna make it together tonight. It's a vanilla ice cream with a cherry tart swirl and pop rocks thrown in there. Are you excited?
We don't put rocks in it.
So I'm gonna drop her off at school. I'm gonna go pick up some cherries from our local farm stand, and tonight we're gonna make some ice cream. So you ready to say let's go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So we are back. We've got Reagan right here. Wanna say what's up?
Hi.
And we're gonna make some cherry tart sauce, just like fireworks ice cream should have. Again, shout out Stewart's Ice Cream in Upstate New York. My Cherry Connect was not working today, so we had to go to the store and pick them up. I apologize. All right, so 2 seconds in, Ray's already eaten her first cherry. Got them all right here. We're going to put them right in here. So we get about a cup of cherries.
I got 3.
Oh, that's a lot. We got all of our cherries right here.
I'm still finishing.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
Perfect.
It's full.
That's full. All right, so now we're gonna put them all in here. Job, and now we're gonna rinse them off.
Why?
Just make sure they're clean.
It's good.
Okay. All right, so you can film the other way. I think your hand's covering it. There we go. There we go. You can hold it like that. All right. Good job filming, Ray. We're gonna turn it on. And we'll rinse them off. And while we're at it, we're gonna get a cup of water. Good job. Oh, that's okay. We don't have to pour that. I'll show you what to do next. Because now what we're going to do is take our cup of water. We're going to pour it in here. And we're going to turn on the heat to get it boiling. You excited? Yeah, me too. Now what we're going to do is we'll take all of our cherries and we're going to take all the pits out. How's that sound? All right, well, we can take the pits out first and then put them right there. Lift one up. Okay. We need an extra cherry. Cherries are all done. Reagan ate a couple, so we had to replace a few, but that's okay. Now we are going to take these.
I spit that out.
Oh, thanks for doing that on the floor. So now we're going to.
Wow, we're gonna put them in there.
We're gonna put all of our cherries right in there.
Roll your foot and then trash like this. Oh, miss!
And now we're also going to take a quarter cup of sugar. We're going to pour that in next.
Yeah.
So there's our quarter cup. Ray, you want to pour that in?
Yep.
Good job. And last but not least, we just need some corn syrup. No, that's okay. Oh, no thanks. So now we're going to do about a quarter cup of corn syrup. I got light corn syrup here. So we're going to pour that in.
That's pinky syrup, waffle syrup.
Yeah, sure. Sounds good. So now we need to mix these up. We're gonna boil these down. So you can see this is boils. We're gonna smash them up just a little bit. See that? This is where we have to stir it up a little bit so it doesn't overflow.
Yeah, go here. Two up here. Two. See that? See that? See that? See that? See that? See that?
Alright, so it'll boil down quite a bit. And now we're going to put this into a little mixer. And we're going to mix it up nice and good. We're going to pour it into a little bowl. Put that on. Leave that low for just about 10 seconds or so. So here we go. We've got all of our cherry sauce right there.
Hot.
Yeah, it's a little hot. Ray, you and I are gonna make the rest of the ice cream tomorrow. How's that sound? She doesn't care anymore that we're not trying it tonight. Anyway, it's going in the fridge right now. Leave it overnight, wait for it to cool, and then tomorrow we are going to finish this up, all right?
Are we gonna pour cherries in first?
Yeah, we'll make the ice cream first.
That's sugar. Yesterday I ate sugar.
You did.
Why?
You tell me.
Because I want, because I'm, is that, can I have some?
Yeah, oh, at the end. So we're back, and we have our cherries.
I'm gonna go show them.
Oh, well, it's over here. There you go. You can come over here to show.
See?
Well, that's behind the camera. They can't really see that. If you come on up, you can show our friends.
See?
That is all ready. We put this in the fridge overnight, so it's nice and cool. It's very thick. I don't know if you can see how slow that's going down.
Can I see?
Sure.
Can I show them?
So we're gonna save this for the very end, and what we're gonna do now is make vanilla ice cream.
See?
So now for our fireworks ice cream, we need to make the vanilla ice cream first.
Yeah, where the vanilla?
Well, we have to make it.
Sugar first.
Sugar first? Let's do it. How much sugar should we put in?
Maybe one.
Maybe one? Can we do 3/4 cup?
Yeah.
All right. So pour that in. Good job.
Why I didn't eat some?
Why didn't you eat some? I don't know. You don't want to just eat straight up sugar. All right. So we're back. One thing that just happened, I know I didn't get it filmed, is we made a little bit of a mess. And you might be able to see it right here. So, was that pretty silly?
Yeah, but I was crying.
You were crying a little bit. That's okay, we make messes sometimes. Yeah, that's okay. So, we have a little bit left. We lost probably 3/4 of it. And I don't want to be wasteful, so I'm going to guess on the rest of the measurements. If you're making vanilla ice cream, I use 3/4 cup sugar, 1 cup whole milk, 2 cups heavy cream, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So there's a recipe. So now for the rest of this, we are going to freestyle a little bit, so bear with us. We lost a little bit of everything. Let's do this. Oh, can you take your hand out for a second? Let's do, I don't know, let's do 1/4 cup of sugar, since we probably lost a little bit.
Not a bit.
Well, we still have some in there. Let's do, oh, okay, about 1/2 cup of milk. Yummy, yummy. All right, you wanna pour that in? Thank you. And let's do about 1 cup of heavy cream. There we go. Pour that in. All right. And last but not least, we're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to pour it in because last time this is where we messed up. So there we go. We have everything we need.
Now what?
Well, now we are going to take our vanilla ice cream and we're going to put it into our ice cream maker. We'll get it mixed up, and then after it's all mixed up, we're going to throw in our cherry sauce and our Pop Rocks. How's that sound?
Good.
Have you ever had Pop Rocks before?
No.
Okay. So we have our mix right here. Sure.
I need to crash.
Oh, okay.
Come and crash too.
Uh-oh. Oh!
Crash.
Crash. Okay. Put that on.
Can I stand right here?
Sure. You want to put that down? There we go. We'll let it mix for a couple minutes. Then we'll go get the cold bowl.
Oh, the deer has see it. Stop it.
We'll
I want to try it.
All right, so we're going to turn this off.
Because I want to try it.
All right,
Maybe
cool.
I like.
All right, just take one of the spoons. All right, what do you think?
More.
More? All right, is that good?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So we'll mix this up, and then we're gonna put it in the cold bowl.
Whoa!
And now,
I'm ready!
okay, I thought you left me.
What?
I thought you left me.
But I need that now.
Okay, that's cool. We're gonna pour it into the cold bowl.
Can I drink it? Can I drink it?
Sure.
Okay.
Put the top on.
And then I want to turn it on.
Okay. Okay. It's gonna turn it on. Just gonna drink the rest. All right, so we're back. We've got our vanilla ice cream, or Madagascar vanilla, technically, ice cream right here. Sure, if you want some. And now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this into our container, and as we put it into our container, we're also going to layer in some of our cherry sauce.
Can I have some? Can I try it?
Yeah, sure. And also, our Pop Rocks. So now the coolest thing about fireworks ice cream to me is A, it's from Stewart shops in Upstate New York. What? One more what? I mean, we're gonna have some in a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. One of my favorite things about fireworks ice cream is it came out when I was a kid, and that first scoop, it had just a tingling sensation. It was super cool, and it was Pop Rocks, and I was like, Pop Rocks and ice cream? Who puts Pop Rocks in ice cream? Well, Stewart's ice cream does, and it was super good, and it was my favorite ice cream growing up. So we're gonna try to recreate that. Ray's never had Pop Rocks before. We ordered some on Amazon.
Can I have them?
Sure.
I
Well,
want to do this.
we'll probably put that one in here because that's a blue one. How about we try the green one because we're not going to use green in the ice cream. You put it into your hand like that. Oh, it's watermelon. That makes sense. What do you think?
Good. Can I try?
You like them? Man, I haven't had Pop Rocks in a while.
Someone.
Wow. It's a cool feeling, huh? We have some cherry. I know we use cherry. Grab that right there. Let's use blue ras. Oh, bless you. Make sure I didn't get an ice cream. So first things first, we need to take some of the ice cream right there. We need to pour it in just like that. And now,
Can I try some?
you try some? Yeah, you can try a little bit. There you go. Here, you want to lick off the rest that's on your hands? It's on your fingers right there. And now, we're going to do a little, let's do the blue. Pour in a little bit. Whoa, that's, yeah, all right. A little more ice cream. Let's do some of the red. I'll pour this one in.
Can I help?
Sure. There we go. And now, we'll pour in a little more of this. Some more of our ice cream. Yeah, let's do both of them together. Oh, all right. Maybe not all over. Oh, wow, that exploded in my face. These are dangerous. Don't try this at home, kids. Or actually, they should try it at home. It's a lot of fun.
Really mix it?
Can you mix it? We're not gonna mix it too much.
Why?
Well, because we want to get big chunks of the cherry sauce. If we mix it too much, it could blend with the entire ice cream.
I know what I'm mixing it.
You know, I appreciate you pointing out the hypocrisy, but I was just trying to smooth it over on the top. So there we have it. So we've got our fireworks ice cream.
How can we mix it?
No, we're gonna keep it like this.
Why?
We're gonna let it freeze.
And then we can put it on.
Yeah, then we'll put the lid on. Then what are we gonna do?
What?
Put it in the freezer.
Yeah.
And then when it turns out our ice cream, we're gonna get a nice scoop, and it's gonna be delicious.
Yeah. And then we can eat all gone.
We eat it all gone. Fireworks ice cream, it's vanilla ice cream with cherry sauce and Pop Rocks. It's super good, it's delicious. So again, happy 4th of July to everyone. Ray just totally left me. To anyone watching Stranger Things Season 3 tonight, have fun. I know I'll be watching that as well. If you like what you see, definitely subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome. Ray, should they subscribe to the channel?
Bye-bye.
Should we tell them to subscribe?
Maybe, yeah.
well, maybe subscribe if you would like. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Happy season 3 opening day of Stranger Things. And I hope you guys have a great day. Ray, anything you want to say to our friends?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good night, guys.